We provide opportunities for students at all levels of ability in dance. So we have classes for beginners, and then we also have opportunities for more experienced dancers, those dancers who have been dancing since they're very young, and any of those dancers at any experience level have opportunities to perform. The dance company performs 2 shows a year that are just them. And then there are an additional 2 other performances that all the classes perform in. In addition to dance classes in ballet, modern, jazz, tap, improvisation, and musical theater dance, we also offer coursework in dance appreciation and choreography. So we're very welcoming of another kind of student who may not be interested in performing, but would still like to get in touch with her physical self. One thing I really enjoy about Cottey is that it's a liberal arts college, and to me that means all the students' activities and coursework overlap with each other. So one thing I always say is, we don't want your world to only be dance, but we want dance to be in your world. So you can explore the sciences, social science, and psychology all through movement. This body is the way we interface with the whole world. So we want to train it and be comfortable with it and understand it.